Hey friends, greetings from Test and Review. Our goal is not just to promote the products. We are here to help you make a smart buying decision. We want you to find the right gadgets that are worthy every penny of your hard-earned money. So today we are talking a deep dive into the SOUNDPEATS T3 Pro wireless earbuds. A budget-friendly option that promises powerful bass, crystal clear call, and all-day battery life. But do they really live up to the hype? I'm not gonna talk so much about the boxing and unboxing stuff. Today I will deep dive into the whole review, what my experience by using these SOUNDPEATS earbuds last 2.5 months. So normally in the box, as usual, a charging case, and also here charging cable, user manual. There are a couple of funny stickers, so if you are sticker lover, so you can stick it as you wish, and the user manual itself. But this user manual is very helpful because the controlling option they explain properly. You have to see this one as well. Let's talk about the design and comfort. It's plastic, but it's a matte black design, and it looks like first impression is like if you don't touch this one from far, it looks like it's a leather case, but it's a plastic, a very nice and high quality plastic. In the first impression, it looks so premium, super quality earbuds, and it's really a very lightweight. With the charging case, it's only 45 gram. Compare with the AirPod weight and this single earbuds weight are same, only 4 gram. This makes them perfect for all day wear without any discomfort. Plus, the soft ergonomic air tips ensure a secure fit, providing comfort and stable whether you are working, exercise or relaxing. So you can see how easily it fitted on my ear. Let's talk about the sound quality of this device. The sound quality is deep bass and clear trebles. So this one have 12 mm dynamic drivers, delivers deep bass and balance mid and highs. AAC and HBC audio cords. AAC provide better sound quality on Apple devices, while HBC ensure comfortably get connected with the most Bluetooth devices. It doesn't make any problem to get connected with my iPhone. It's like plug and play. It's really perfect for podcast, music, and those who are playing game. Low latency mode, no lag while gaming. This one have the hybrid active noise cancellation ANC, reduce background noise by up to 30 dB for distraction-free listening. AI enhanced ENC for calls, user dual mic and AI algorithms to filter out background noise, ensure clear voice communication. Let's talk about the touch sensor. It's very smooth. So when you wear this one in your ear, first it gives you the status. Is it in noise cancelling mode or is it in normal mode? Play and pause is with the single tap, and if you press the double tap, then you can skip the track, and if you want to receive a call, it's like press the touch, then you can receive, and if you long press, then it will active the voice assistant. Touch response is super. The battery life is like all day listening. With 28 hours of total battery life, 7 hours per charge plus 21 hours with the case. So you won't have to worry about running out of battery. This one built in with IPX4 rated. They are sweat and splash resistant. It's perfect for workout and outdoor use. It's really a great little device according to the price. I'm really optimistic of this device because within the price, they gave the quality of this product that's really insane. Let's talk about the pros and cons of this little device. So the pros is, I found is like, it's great sound quality with deep bass, good active noise cancellation for calls, comfortable and lightweight design, long battery life with fast charging. This one have also a dedicated app for customizing, affordable price and the features. So the con I found, this one is like the top part, it's not so stable. Yeah, so if is it like fall down or something, there have a chance to break it down. Yeah, so I found this one. And sound cancellations, maybe they could work a little bit, but if I think about the price, it's totally fine with that. If you ask me my final thought of this product, so for the price, the SOUNDPEATS T3 Pro delivers fantastic audio, advanced noise cancellation, smooth touch control and all-day battery life. If you are looking for a affordable, high-quality earbuds, these are solid choice. If you enjoy this breakdown and found it useful, smash the like button. Drop your thought in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest and in-depth tech reviews. Now, the question is, would you go for these earbuds or do you prefer something else? Let's discuss in the comments. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you in the next video. Stay awesome. Bye bye.